Hey dolls, welcome to Chocolate Talks. And today Chocolate talks about being bougie on a budget with some press-on nails, okay? Listen, excuse me, I got something on my lip. I purchased these from my local beauty supplies for about $10, okay? So don't frail, don't fright. I know that the coronavirus is keeping us all in the home, but you can get these from, any drugstore since the beauty supplies aren't open. So here is just a little tutorial on how I do my press-on nails, just so you guys can be pretty at home, because I know when you look good, you feel good. If you haven't been here before, hi, how are you? Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So without further ado, not too long of an intro, go ahead and watch me work. Okay, so first we're going to talk about the things that you will need. Today I'm using some Kiss nails that I received from my local beauty supply. I believe they were $10, but they could have been a little extra because they do have rhinestones on them. But you pick whatever ones that you decide to use. Then you're going to need a filer. I got this from Sally's. I believe it was a couple dollars, maybe $3 or $4. Then you're going to need Gorilla Glue. This right here, this is what you really need. That glue that comes in the package, ain't it? Get you some Gorilla Glue. Then you're going to need some acetone. You need that to get the oils off your fingers so you have a good surface. Getting those nails on there right. Then you're going to need a cuticle pusher. This is also key. You don't want to not have this. There's also like a little pack that comes in there that you can use those. I have cotton circles to help me with acetone, and then I have some fingernail clippers just in case I have any hangnails or if I need them to get anything off the nails. So the first thing you're going to do is take them out of the package, and then you are going to size them. Size these however you want to. I kind of make them a little smaller than my nails. That way I can make sure that they look as natural as possible and not too bulky, and then I don't have to go in there and file them. This is me just showing you the glue that comes in there. I usually just throw it away, but I'm going to keep it. I might be able to use it on one of my clients or something for the end of their braids. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and size them. I'm speeding it up so you guys don't even have to worry about that. You size them to your preference. And then also you see that little package over there that came out of the nails where it has a filer itself and also like a pusher cuticle thing. So you don't have to go out and buy anything extra. It all comes in the pack. So right now I'm going ahead and I'm taking my cotton circle, putting some acetone on it, and I'm going to go ahead and get those oils off of my fingernails. Please don't skip this step. If you do, your nails will go on there, but it will be easy for them to slip off because they don't have a solid foundation. It's also going to take the oil off of your fingers, but it's all good because you can go ahead and put some oil. I'll show you that towards the end of the video. Put some oil on your fingers when it's all over, so don't worry about the ugly stage right now. So grab the cuticle pusher and push your cuticles back. Again, this is key. Don't skip this step. You can also pull your cuticles up if that, makes you feel better. So I'm just showing you that. But I didn't do that on all my fingers. This is just helping the nail to go under your cuticle and not on top of it. So this is really my best tip for making your nails look as natural as possible. When you put them on top of your cuticle, it's like a dead giveaway that you have on press-on nails. And I've been wearing these for about 2 days now, and I've been getting compliments from my family. And then, I put a little video up and someone seen them there and they said they were cute too. They were like, "You went out and got your nails done during this quarantine?" I'm like, "No, boo-boo. I got my press-ons. Get it right." Okay? So I'm almost done pushing my cuticles back. And then I'm going to use my filer to make the surface of my nails rough. Again, a step that you don't want to miss. All of these are simple steps. Please just make it happen so you could come out on top, ladies, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, because I know I got some gentlemen that wear some press-on nails too, so I'm giving you the free game, okay? Just listen up. So yeah, this again is going to help the glue and the nails adhere to your nails, and you're not going to have nothing to worry about. You could wear it for a week, maybe even a week and a half. It depends on, if you wash dishes and things like that. So now I got my Gorilla Glue. Make sure you get some Gorilla Glue. I got my clippers. I seen some extra glue just hanging on, so I just went ahead and clipped that off. Now, the process of this is all you want to do is get you a nice little dot of glue. See that? And go ahead and smear it around your whole entire nail. Okay? Get it on good. Get a good layer. And then push it underneath the cuticle and then push down. I am going to do that again for you in real time just so you can see the process. And then I'll go ahead and speed it up just so you guys ain't got to worry about me talking your ear off. But you want to put it under the cuticle, then push it down. And then you want to take your cuticle pusher. We'll always have another end to where you can clean up any glue that might have pushed out once you push your nail down. I do hold my nails for 30 seconds. And I don't let up before that 30 seconds, okay? It's 30 seconds each nail. So I can make sure it's on there. Then I even bend it a little bit just to make sure that it's secure, okay? So make sure you clean it up. You don't want no dried up glue on your nails. Again, people will know they're fake. So there goes the dot. I'm spreading it around. Get me a good little layer on there so I can make sure these babies stay on and fly. I'm going to take my nail under the cuticle, push it down, hold for 30 seconds, okay? It is literally that simple. Really that simple. Okay? So while I'm speeding the rest of it up, let me just explain to you guys why I wear press-on nails. So the reason I wear press-on nails is because I'm also a hairstylist. So when it's time for me to braid or do weaves or anything of that sort, I need these nails to either be very short or non-existent, okay? So this makes it easy for me to soak these in some hot water with some dishwashing liquid for 5 minutes to loosen up the glue, pop them babies off, and be able to reuse them whenever I want to, okay? Again, this is like, bougie on a budget. If you want to look cute and you don't got time to be sitting in a nail salon all day, then this is literally key for you. I also have a 3-year-old, so I cannot go to the nail shop all the time. I usually have to have her with me, so, whatever. But when I need to do things for her, like tie her shoes or do her hair, or if something happens and I need to get access and I don't got time to be playing with these nails, they're getting popped off. I don't care if I use them again, but that's what they're made for, so make sure you're doing it for a good reason. If you're using your hands a lot and doing a lot of things, and press-on nails may not be good for you, but like I said, I do a lot. I do hair, I wash dishes. I do wash dishes with gloves on, but whatever. I do a lot with these and they don't pop off. And I think it's because of this Gorilla Glue. Okay? So now I'm showing you the coconut oil that I use. I got that from the Dollar Tree. If you know me, you know I like the Dollar Tree. So this is just going up to put some moisture back into your fingers, back into your cuticles, and getting any little spots around your nails. Get them together, girl. Like, you do not want to be looking all ashy and looking dried up. That is not cute, okay? So I'm going ahead and I'm lathering that up. And then look at that. Are you kidding me? If you see me on the street, you will not be like, you got on some press-on nails. You'll be like, who did your nails, okay? See you later.